everyone, welcome to this week's vlog. I am currently working at home today and we have a very busy day and a very busy week ahead. This evening Luke and I are actually going to see Aespa, which I am so excited about. I've been looking forward to this for quite a while, so I'm excited for that this evening. It's been a good week so far. I went to get sushi with Genevieve last night, which was so delicious, so needed. I went to Solid Core this morning, and then for the rest of the week I'm very excited because Lunar New Year starts tomorrow officially, and I'm gonna be hosting my first little dinner. It's just gonna be my sister, Luke, and I, but I'm very excited, and it's gonna be such a nice evening, and it's gonna be nice to be all together. But this Saturday we're actually leaving for Hawaii, so I'll be vlogging for you all then, but I'm really just looking forward to a vacation. I am in desperate need of it, and I really just want to relax, read, and be on the beach, so I'm looking forward to that. But I will take you along with me for all the things that we get up to this week. I'm gonna go back to work and I will talk to you all a little bit later. Happy Lunar New Year. It's Wednesday. I'm heading to the office. So this is what I'm wearing. I have on my black clay blazer coat. This is from Better Call Sister. I'm wearing my little gray scarf from Jacquemus, and then of course I'm wearing red to be lucky and get all of the luck for the new year. But I just have a little white Uniqlo tee on, and then I'm wearing these they're not patchwork, but moto style jeans. These are from GLOWNY. I have on my Aritzia belt, and then I'm just wearing my black loafers. So this is my outfit of the day. These are my favorite gloves. I have worn them almost every single day this winter and last. They're from J.Crew, and I love them because they have these little hearts on the thumbs and the pointer fingers to use your phone. But they're just so good, and they go with every single outfit, and they're so warm. They're lined on the inside. So yeah, shout out to these. I think they did come out with a version this year, so if they're still available, definitely check them out. But I'm going to head to the office now, and I'll see you all this evening for dinner. I just came home from the office to an exciting package, and I wanted to show you guys. I very much have been in my tea era lately, which has been very fun, but I felt like our smeg wasn't cutting it in terms of I can't really boil things in there, also because Luke uses it too and I don't want to contaminate it. So I've just been boiling my tea in a regular pot, but I wanted to take it a step up. So I ordered myself a little tea kettle like this. My camera's gonna die, but it's from the brand Joe Young, and it just looks like this. So tomorrow morning I'll show you all how I plan on using it, but I'm so excited.
Rabbit matcha, creamy candy. Fucking cool.
We are at Hello Robin right now. We had a little date night. We just came to shop around in Village after work, and now we're gonna head home.
It's raining.
I know the rain is back in Seattle, unfortunately, but we'll see you all later. Friday, and I'm so excited to have my little teapot in action. I did make my other tea the other day, but it was just one of those mornings where I was like, I can't film, but here it is. This morning I'm making some ginger tea. I'm having some granola for breakfast. This is actually so good. Genevieve got this for me when she was in San Francisco from Luke's local grocery, and it's the seeded maple granola with dried cherries, and the dried cherries are 10 out of 10. But today I'm gonna be working. This evening I'm gonna go get a pedicure because we leave tomorrow morning for Hawaii. I have not started packing, so I need to do that today too. But overall my goal is just to have a nice chill day, but let's get into it. I'm using this cute little Snoopy mug. It's a little set that Sarah got me for Christmas, and I love it so much. Happy Friday. I am about to head out and get my pedicure, which I am so excited for. And then after that, I think Luke and I are going to run some errands just for like pre-trip preparation. But this is what I'm wearing. I wanted to be cozy because it is raining outside, but I still wanted to feel like I got dressed and put myself together. So I have on my wool coat from Ling Sol, and then I'm carrying my little ducky umbrella, which I haven't gotten to use lately, but today we're taking it out. I have my little Matisse bucket bag, and then I'm just wearing this top and these sweatpants from GLOWNY. I don't know if I said that already. And then I just have my black platform Uggs on. So this is my outfit. I'm gonna go, and I'll see you all later. I have a little bit of time before my appointment, and there's a store over here that I want to quickly check out. I was really craving udon, so we came to Azuki this evening, and I'm so excited for a heaping bowl of udon. So good.